Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this session now, I want to give the answers for the NPTEL course Blockchain and its Applications for week 9, assignment 9. The solutions are given below. For the question number 1, which of the following statements are true for PBFT? For this, the answer is given as C. And now coming to the question number 2, which of the following sequence of steps is valid for Algorand? For this question, the answer is A. That is 1, 4, 2, 3 is the valid sequence. Okay, so for this, the option is A. So for question number 2, the answer is A. Now coming to the question number 3. Strong synchrony ensures liveness of protocol Algorand. Okay, so it is true or false. This is true. So the option I selected as A. And now coming to the question number 4. Algorand is not always safe under weak synchrony. It is true or false. The answer is B. That is false. Okay. So next we are going to the question number 5. Okay. For the question number 5, which of the following is true about the selection of random committee in the Algorand network? For this, the option is C. The correct option is C. That is, the nodes elect themselves as a committee member by winning a local computation. The answer is C. Now coming to the question number 6. Which of the following is not a valid component in distributed identifiers DID? Here the correct option for this is C, that is verifiable data registry. Okay, and now coming to the question number 7, that is, consider the following statement. Say Alice has generated two distributed identifiers like DID1 and DID2 for three of her pairwise relationships maintained in Hyperledger Indy. Which part of the above statement is false with respect to the concepts of the Hyperledger Indy? For this, the answer is B. The two DIDs for three pairwise relationships. This is the correct option for the 7. So 7 is B. Now coming to the question number 8. In verifiable credential, we see a claim is a statement about a subject. Okay, so for this, the answer is C, subject. Now coming to the question number 9, which of the following statement is true? In Hyperledger Indy, any party can read the ledger. Second one, in Hyperledger Indy, only registered parties and can write to the ledger. So which one is the correct answer? So both statements is the correct one. Both our statements are correct. So that's why the option C here 1, 2, 2 mentioned. Option C is the correct answer. Coming to the question number 10. Which of the following sequence of the steps is valid for DID registration, DID registration? For this, the answer is A, that is 2, create DID document, 1, register DID, and 4, update DID, and finally fetch DID. So 2, 1, 4, 3, the option that is the correct sequence. So the option is given for this is A. Okay, so these are the correct answers for this particular week 9 of blockchain and its applications. Okay, so once again we see the answers. Those are for question number A, it is option C, and for question number 1, the option is C. Question number 2, the option is A. And for question number 3 also, the correct option is A. And for question number 4, the correct option is B. Question number 5, the correct option is C. Question number 6, the correct option is C. And for question number 7, the correct option is B. And question number 8, the correct option is C. And question number 9, the correct option is here also the C. Question number 10, the correct option is A. So these are the answers I have selected according to my knowledge. Please notify me if at all any mistakes are there. So if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all.